Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can set an email alias on your Outlook. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. I have Chrome over here. Look for Outlook. Click on this very first link and then sign in into your account. Now, once you've successfully signed in, I want you to set your focus on the top right portion of your screen over here. This will be your profile icon. Left click on it and then click on My Microsoft Accounts. It will open up a new tab on your browser and it will look like this, right? Make sure to select your info tab over here and I want you to scroll down under account information. On the right side, you will notice edit account info. Click on it. And then over here, you should be able to easily see your account username or alias, all right? So if you want to add another alias, you can click on add an email and then over here, create a new email address and add it as a username or alias. All right. So just go ahead, type any alias you would like to put in this field. Once done, you can add or click on add username. But that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.